This vegetable kurma, everybody wants to see how it is done quick and easy. I have done quick and easy recipe also. Come, we will all get together, or you can watch me doing all the vegetables. I have cut and chopped and everything, and quickly I will do. You watch how I am going to do now. Now we will see what we are going to do here. I have got the maize, star anise, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, curry leaves. All that I am going to temper it. So first thing, I am going to put a little ghee. Once we put the ghee, and then I will put a little oil also. Cinnamon, maize, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, all that we put. Stir fry slightly. I've got curry leaves. Once it starts giving a good flavor, potatoes. There's a little water in it, so I will slowly put it. Otherwise it will start. Without water we have to put, so please remember. Small onions, carrots. For a change, I am doing this kurma in a different way. Allow it to get stir fried a little. We have put potatoes, carrots, capsicum, small onions, all that together. Added a little water, allow it to get cooked. Right? This kurma I am doing it in a different way. You can see how it is. Now I will add the tomatoes. Along with that, still I have not added the seasoning. So we'll add the seasoning, salt, pepper. I'm doing the kurma in a different way. Vegetable preparation, and I'm using the turmeric. I'm using a little 2 teaspoons of Kashmir chili powder. I'll put a little chili powder. We like no chili powder, so we will use that. Now I am going to add the curd. You can use ground coconut, but I am using only the curd for you. Cumin seed, coriander, cumin powder, seed powder, coriander. If you like, you can use coriander powder and cumin seed powder. You can crush the cumin seed and use it, or cumin seed powder and coriander powder. I will add the coriander leaves. This another thing I wanted to explain. Asafoetida. Asafoetida is also very good and healthy, and you won't get other problems and sicknesses. If you want, you can use a little asafoetida. Take off, and I'm going to add a little bit of other ingredients. I'll take out and keep, and I'm going to temper a little mustard seeds and other ingredients. Ghee. Once that is melted, I'll add the mustard seeds, not a lot, and a little gram curry leaves. I'll add a little bit of the add the little chili pieces. I'll back again. We'll put this. The vegetables. 1 second. I will stir fry. Off the cooker. We'll dish it out. We have put the coriander leaves, curry leaves, all that we put. Preparation is ready. Mint. I'll put mint leaves. so that it will be nice to have the mint leaves also flavor. The vegetable kurma is ready. Now you can see with any kind of rice you can have it. Either red rice, basmati rice or sambar rice, any rice. Or else we can have with rotis, pittu, whatever you want you can have it. Even with bread you can have it. So something very nice. All vegetables are there and it's good for a healthy preparation. Try it out and see how it comes. With another episode, I'll see you soon. Till then, bye from me now.